This is a road I pass every day in my daily life. With time, living in one place brings a sense of the familiarity, which easily convinces us that we fully grasped this land. We no longer expect new perspectives. Our challenge is to look at familiar things by using scientific and mathematical view, through thinking carefully and allow ourselves to be surprised by unexpected details, which we can awake its mystery. When we think of the familiar places as teaching zones, our learning gets intertwined with things beyond humanity, focusing us on the learning that can take place on the land. But to seek the beauty of the science and mathematics in nature, we might need to break our current relationship with places and abandon any notion of control we hold. To instead embrace our identity as educators, we habitually consider them to be lifeless objects. People will define themselves as good or not good, but as educators, what if we looked at the natural world with a sense of exploration? We could treat this exploration as a creative game, focusing cultivating our own interest. Might there be expected discoveries? Upon close observation for the star jasmine, it exhibits the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio, resembling a daisy. The earliest study was conducted by Fresnel in 1860, who found that golden ratio is the most aesthetically pleasing to humans. It has a ratio symmetry, means that it can be divided into identical halves by multiple planes passing through its center. The appearance of the mathematical pattern in jasmine and other plants can be understood as the result of natural selection for efficient structures and processes. Additionally, the fragrance emitted by jasmine after the rain relaxed one's mood, as if deepening the sensory experience of connecting with natural elements. My gaze was attracted by a cute snail slowly moving on the ground, which reminds that snails become more active after the rain because they can rapidly lose moisture through their skin. This is crucial as a snail's skin is thin and permeable, easily losing moisture to the air. By observing the trails of the snails, we found that explain how natural science work in the world and its elements interaction. Therefore, we often encounter snails on the road on rainy day, and we should be careful not to step to them. Then, at the end of the spring and the beginning of the summer in Australia, the jacaranda tree bloom, and its unique purple color catches my eyes, showing me that bloom of the life. After the rain, the petals on the tree are generally shaken by gravity and scattered in the wind, falling to the soil, demonstrating the interactions of life in the nature, and at the same time allowing us to diverge our thinking. At the moment, is the wind given shape by the flowers? Where shaped pebbles are hidden under the tree? Do they also hold many strange scripts? Let's randomly pick up the few pebbles with the different patterns. What can we do about that? First, I realized that we assemble the stones into different shapes like triangles, circles, and rectangles. By the way, normally the stability of triangles can be used for the vehicles to apply the structure of axles. These interesting mathematical principles can be discovered by our eyes. Nature's influence on children is far-reaching and multifaceted, affecting their physical, emotional, and social and cognitive development. Additionally, we should instill in children an attitude of concern for the natural world in their neighborhood and tell them to protect the environment.
Thank you.